Some terms in cookbooks can really be baffling, like a recipe that says blanch the green beans for 2 to 3 minutes. What is blanching? Blanching is a two-step technique which starts with submerging either an herb or vegetable into hot boiling water for seconds and sometimes up to just a few minutes, and then plunging that vegetable into an ice bath. Here's what blanching does. It enhances color, it enhances flavor, it gets rid of bitterness, and instead of eating things like these green beans raw, it just tenderizes them enough to eat in a salad. When it comes to green beans, you can tell they're done. Look at this bright, beautiful green color out of the pot, right into the ice bath. Stops the cooking immediately. Look how beautiful bright green these blanched green beans are. They're tender, they're tasty, the flavor is locked in.